Tomorrow will be better. This is another equation and we're supposed to find S. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. First and foremost, let's identify the position of our S. Here is it. Now, what is it surrounded by? First of all, it's surrounded by a positive t here. And down here we have divided by u. How do we get to finding S? The question says find S. It means we have to isolate S and have it stand all alone on one side. This is the objective of the question. Now, how do we go about this? The first thing is, remember, it's an equation. So whatever thing you will be doing to the left, that you must do to the right. Also, in everything you will be doing here, we are struggling to isolate S. There is this important element which should not be neglected, which is a square. We are not asked to find S squared, but to find S all alone. So let me write it here, S squared plus t all over u equals to u. The first thing here is to get rid of this denominator here. How do we get rid of it? By doing the opposite of what brought it here. What brought it here is a division. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So we will multiply both sides by u. By so doing, this u down here falls off, and we're left to the left with S squared plus t equals u squared, because u times u is not 2u, it's u squared. Very good. Next, we have a plus t, which is still bothering our S squared here. So what we will do now is we will subtract t from both sides. Why? Because subtraction is the opposite of this sign which brought about t here. So we do the opposite of what is here, so that t minus t will disappear. So on the left side we're left with just S squared, and here we have u squared minus t. Now, most importantly, we are not asked to find S squared, but to find S. So how did we come about S squared? We got S squared by raising S to an exponent 2. So to get rid of this, we will do the opposite of the square sign, which is a square root sign. Of course, because it's an equation, we will do the same thing to the left. So as we predicted correctly, this will be taken away by this. So now we are left with S alone on one side equals the square root of u squared minus t. And this is the objective of this question. It's been clearly answered. Tomorrow be better.